Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today we're going a little healthier. We're going to be making a bunless burger with some delicious seasoned zucchini noodles. You want to start with some ground sirloin beef. You can also buy these already formed beef patties. If you just have the ground beef, that's fine. You can just add your spices and your sauce and then form the patties after. For seasoning, I'm starting with some salt. We'll also add some pepper, some garlic powder. I'll also be using this A1 dry rub. This is great stuff. Now give those patties a rub down. I'm also going in with some A1 sauce, and I'm going to go ahead and just brush it all in there. If your patties aren't pre-formed, just use your hands and get it all mixed in. Today I'm doing it the fast way. I'm brushing everything in there, which there's no shame in that, guys. That's perfectly fine. Make sure you repeat all the steps we just did to the other side of your patties. We'll be using a cast iron skillet. Make sure to get it nice and hot. You want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. You can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Add your hamburger patties, and the reason I like to use this cast iron skillet is because it just gives us that nice browning. Now, if you want to fire up your grill, even better, guys. Put it on the grill. At this point, you want to make sure you turn down your heat to medium and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Don't be like me. I forgot to turn it down and I walked away for a phone call, and here you have it. Now I'm going to add some Meunster cheese. This is from Costco. All right, after 2 minutes, these are nice and done. To the same pan, we want to add 2 tablespoons of butter. If you like, you can skip the butter. And we're also going to drizzle some olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic or 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to turn my heat down to low, and then we're going to add some of these zucchini noodles. You can buy them prepackaged, already cut, or you can cut your own. Add some salt to your taste, a small pinch of pepper. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of Sriracha sauce, so that's why you don't want to add too much pepper, because this stuff adds a little bit of a kick to it. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes, or 1/4 teaspoon. Let's give this a quick mix. The spices that we're adding to these zucchini noodles make it so yummy. If you don't like zucchini, you might actually like this, so be sure to give it a try anyway. Okay, so now we want to squeeze half of a lemon. We want to give this a quick mix, making sure that all of the delicious flavors are absorbed. And you want to cook this for just 2 minutes. You don't have to cook this very long, otherwise they'll start getting really soggy, and you want a little bit of a crunch to them. Alright, so there's different ways you can serve this. I like to add a leaf of romaine lettuce on the bottom, add a little bit of salt and pepper. You can make it pretty basic like this, or you can add a tomato slice and a pickle slice on top. You can also layer it with another piece of lettuce on top or some avocado slices. I usually just use 1 slice, and I like to finish it off with some parsley flakes and squeeze some lemon on top. Zucchini noodles coupled with this bunless burger make for such a delicious and healthy meal. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think below. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.